I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by isolating the error to Windows or a third-party driver. Boot into safe mode using Settings or Shift plus Restart. Open Event Viewer and inspect the system log for Ene.sys entries and timestamps. Save the memory. DMP file to a folder for later analysis. Run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair missing system files. Then run dism restore health to fix Windows image corruption. These diagnostics ensure you understand whether the crash is driver-related or system corruptions. Open Device Manager and locate drivers associated with Ene.sys entries. Right-click any suspect device and choose Update Driver or Roll Back Driver if available. If Windows cannot find a driver, download the OEM driver package directly from the manufacturer and install it. Uninstall recent software or utilities that started before the BSODs, then reboot to test stability. Use Windows Update to apply any pending driver patches and security fixes. If crashes stop, the updated or restored driver. If driver and software fixes fail, check hardware integrity next. Open an elevated command prompt and run chkdskc/f to repair disk errors and then schedule a reboot. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic to test RAM for faults that trigger driver crashes. Try System Restore and pick a restore point dated before Ene.sys errors began. If problems persist, perform a repair install with the Media Creation tool while selecting Keep Personal Files. Always back up important data before advanced recovery or clean installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.